Ladies and gentlemen, it's spine time. And that's how you're gonna remember how many vertebrae are in each part of the spine. Just check the time. Okay, see, breakfast is at 7 o'clock and we're gonna have crepes. For lunch, we're gonna have tuna, but it's gonna be at 12 noon. Dinner, we have at 5 p.m., we're gonna have some lasagna, okay? The cervical spine has 7 vertebrae, the thoracic has 12, and the lumbar has 5. Now to complete the spinal column, and quite frankly, eat like your boy, we gotta get some snacks and cookies. That's gonna be the sacrum and the coccyx. The sacrum kinda looks like the S in the Superman logo, and the coccyx is pointy like a cone. Like a cone. And there you got the full meal deal. Crepes at 7, tuna at 12, lasagna at 5, and then you got your snacks and your cookies at the end. Can't forget that candy.
Hey folks, you spoke and we listened. Here's what you had to say about Meta 7.
I love it so much. It gives me so much energy during the day.
I've noticed a change in my hair, my nails, my blood pressure.
There's no doubt that it's a benefit to me. It gives me more stamina.
And it could actually help you lose weight.
Now, I haven't taken a nap in 6 months.
That's right, Meta 7. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Weight loss, more energy, and generally feeling more alert during the day. Let's hear more.
I used it to help wean myself off caffeine and energy drinks, and my productivity has been very high lately.
It's natural, it's amazing. I feel motivated to get out and do things that I didn't before.
I'm not tired during the day. I've worked 12-hour shifts.
Just go all day. It makes me feel great. I love it. And take it. It's wonderful stuff.
If you haven't tried Meta 7 yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There's an Amazon link in the description.